Hello, my dears. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Are you ready to study with me a new lesson today? It's our lesson called Adding and Subtracting Fractions. Our first part in this lesson today is adding fraction. This year, we have only one case when we add or subtract two fractions or more. We must have same denominator. So this year, we only have same d. What the steps to add or subtract? Let's start with adding. We have 3 steps. First step, drop the d. Drop the denominator. So 1, drop d. Second step, add n. Add the numerator. Step number 3, check the answer in the simplest form, yes or no. So what are the steps? Drop d, add n, check for simplify. Drop d, add n, check to simplify. Drop d, add n, check to simplify. Okay, my dears? Now, go to your book, the blue one, page 55. We're gonna answer question 1 and 2. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1. Notice each of the following shapes and complete. Here we give you shapes with colored bars, and we want to know each color represented by what fraction and the total number of colored parts equal what. So in the first one here, I have 2 over 8 plus 3 over 8. We said first step, drop the d, so we drop 8. Second step, add n. 2 plus 3, 3 in my mind, 2 on my finger, count after 3, 4, 5. So 5, put 5 in the space. Now, what the third step, the final step, check 5 over 8 in the simplest form, yes or no? Is 5, can we find 5 and 8 in same table other than table 1? No, we can't find them. So this is the simplest form. Let's go to the next one. 1 over 6 plus 2 over 6 equal space. We said what the first step? Drop the d. We drop 6. Second step, add n. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Third step, check 3 over 6 in the simplest form, yes or no? Can we find 3 and 6 in the same table other than table 1? Yes, we can find it in table 3. So we're gonna divide it up and down by 3. 3 divided 3 equal 1. 6 divided 3 equal 2. So the final answer is a half. Okay? Now, let's go to the last one here in question number 1. We have a problem here. We don't have any fraction. But wait, you can find the fraction from the figure. Okay. The first fraction represented by the red color. So, let's write the fraction. In the numerator, how many red parts? Just 1. In the denominator, how many the total parts? The red and the green and the not colored equal 9. Okay? So, first fraction, 1 over 9. Let's go to the second fraction, which represented by the green parts. Okay, how many green parts? I have 4. How many total parts? I have 9. So 4 over 9. Can we add now? Yes. What the first step? Drop the d. Drop the 9. Second step, add n. 1 plus 4 equal 5. Okay, third step, check for simplify. 5 over 9 in the simplest form, yes or no? Yes, we can't find 5 and 9 in the same table other than table 1. So we finished, okay? Now go to question number 2, number A. 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7 equal space. What the first step? Drop the d. d here equals 7, so we're gonna drop 7. Step number 2, add n. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Step number 3, check for simplify. 5 over 7 in the simplest form or not? Yes, in the simplest form. So we finish. Go to number B. 1 over 9 plus 7 over 9 equal space over 9. First step, drop the D. We drop the D for you here. So we're gonna start from step number 2. What's the step number 2? Add in 1 plus 7 equal 8. Okay, are we finished? No, we didn't check for simplify. 8 over 9? Yes, in the simplest form. And now let's go to the last question here, number C, 1 over 4 plus 3/4. Okay, well, the first step when we add, drop the D, super. Okay, we drop the D, which is 4. I drop the 4. What the second step? I can't hear you. Yes, add n. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Now, 4 over 4. Do you remember what we say before about when we have same n and d? When n equal d, this is equal what? Yay, super, equal a whole number, which is 1. Okay, my dears? Okay, we're still in the book, page 56, question number 4. Okay? The first one, 4 sixths plus 1 sixth equal space. What are the steps? Do you remember the steps? Drop the D. So we drop the 6. Add n. 4 plus 1 equal 5. Check for simplify. 5 over 6 in the simplest form? Yes or no? Yes, we can find 5 and 6 in any table other than table 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. 3 over 7 plus 1 over 7 equal space. We said what the first step? Drop the D. We drop the 7. Second step, add n. 3 plus 1 equal 4. Step number 3, check for simplify. 4 over 7 in the simplest form. Okay, my dears? Let's continue. Now, 5 over 12 plus 3 over 12. First step, drop the D, we drop the 12. Second step, add n. 5 plus 3 equal what? I can't hear you. Equal 8. Super. Now, are we finished? No. We said we must check for simplify. 8 over 12 in the simplest form? No, we can find 8 and 12, both of them in table 4. So, we're gonna divide up and down by 4. 8 divided 4 equal 2. 12 divided 4 equal 3. So, the simplest form, 2 over 3. Let's go to the next one. 5 over 9 plus 4 over 9. Step number 1, drop the D. So, we're gonna drop 9. Step number 2, add n. 5 plus 4 equal 9. 9 over 9. Miss May, you said when we have the same number up and down, this is equal a whole 1. So, equal 1. Okay, my dears, let's go to the last one. Half plus half. Drop the D, drop 2. Add n. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 over 2. This is equal what, my dears? Equal 1. Okay? The second part in our lesson is subtracting fractions. Okay? And again, to subtract, we must have same D. Okay, subtracting fractions. What are the steps to subtracting fraction with the same D? Same steps except the operation. So first step, drop the D. Second step, subtract n. Third step, check for simplify. So, drop the D, subtract n, check for simplify. Okay, my dears? Okay, dearies, go to your school book, page 56, question number 5. Subtract 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8. We said what are the steps? Drop the D, subtract n, and simplify. Okay, drop the D. The D here equal 8. So I drop the 8. Then 5 minus 3. Count after 3 to reach 5. After 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 2. So put 2. Third step, check for simplify. 2 over 8 in the simplest form? Yes or no? No, I can find 2 and 8 in table 2. So we must divide it. So we must divide up and down by 2. 2 divided 2 equal 1. 8 divided 2 equal 4. Okay, let's go to the next one. 4 over 9 minus 2 over 9. What's the first step? Drop the D. Drop the 9. Second step, subtract n. 4 minus 2 equal 2. So third step, check for simplify. 2 over 9 in the simplest form, yes or no? Yes. Let's go to the next one. 3 over 11 minus 1 over 11. Drop the D. I drop 11. Second step, subtract n. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Third step, check to simplify. In the simplest form, yes, so you're gonna leave it. Go to the next one. 5 over 6 minus 4 over 6. Drop the D. We drop 6. Subtract n. 5 minus 4 equal 1. Check for simplify. 1 over 6 in the simplest form? Yes, we can't find 1 and 6 except in table 1. Okay, let's go to the next one. 4 over 5 minus 1 over 5. What are the steps? Drop the D. Super. So we drop 5. Then subtract n. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Check for simplify. 3 over 5 in the simplest form? Yes. Let's continue. 1 minus third. Okay. We said we can replace the 1 by put any fraction with the same n and d. How we gonna know what the number we gonna choose? According to the denominator in the second fraction. I have down here 3, so I'm gonna replace 1 with 3 over 3. So I have the question now. 3 over 3 minus third equal. Step number 1, drop the D. I drop the 3. Step number 2, subtract n. 3 minus 1 equal 2. Step number 3, check to simplify. Okay, can we have 2 and 3 in the same table other than table 1? No, so this is the simplest form. Okay, my dears? We're still in the book, page 65. Okay, question number 6. Here, in this question, it's a mixed question between plus and minus, adding and subtracting. Okay, let's start. 1 over 7 plus 4 over 7. We said what are the steps in add and or subtract? Drop the D, add or subtract n according to the question, and check for simplify in both of them. Okay, so we're gonna drop the D. The D here equals 7. We drop the 7. Add n. 1 plus 4 equal 5. Check 5 over 7 in the simplest form. Yes, in the simplest form. Go to the next one. 5 over 12 plus a space equal 9 over 12. We said to add or subtract fraction, we must have same D this here. So we must put in the denominator 12. Now, do you remember from the first term when we study the missing number in addition or subtraction? We said what? We said circle the sign and draw the curve between the two numbers you have in the question. We said if the sign plus, near or far, take me away. So in both cases, we're gonna subtract always when the sign plus. So I'm gonna say 5 minus 9 or 9 minus 5. No, we said in subtraction, we start from the biggest number. So 9 minus 5 equal 4. Okay, my dears? Let's go to the next one. Space minus 3 over 10 equal 1. We said we're gonna replace 1 with a fraction. having same in and d. How are we gonna know the number we're gonna put up and down according to the denominator in the second fraction in the question? Okay, I have here down 10. So I'm gonna replace 1 with 10 over 10. Now, let's find the denominator. Now, let's find the denominator in the space in the first fraction. We said we must have same d, so we put 10. How we find the numerator? Circle the sign, and the sign here, minus, and draw the curve. The numbers near or far? Near. If the sign minus, if I'm near, please add me. So we're gonna add 3 plus 10 equal 30. Okay, my dears, let's go to the next one. 1 minus half equal space. We said we're gonna replace 1 with fraction, and this fraction having same number in both n and d. Okay, how we gonna know this number? From the denominator in the fraction in the question. Okay, I have here down here 2, so I'm gonna replace 1 with 2 over 2. Now I have the new question. Now I have the new question, 2 over 2 minus half equal. Same steps, drop the d, 2, subtract n, 2 minus 1 equal 1, okay? We check for simplifying when we have the space after the equal, okay, my dears? Not before, after the equal. Okay, let's go to the next one. 3 over 5 minus a fraction equal 2 over 5. We said to subtract or to add, we must have same d. So in the down here, we're gonna put 5. Now, circle the sign and draw the curve. The numbers near or far? It's far, and the sign is minus. If the sign minus, if I'm far, take me away. So we're gonna do subtract. 3 minus 2 equal 1. Next question, 4 over 7 minus a fraction equal 7, 1 over 7. Now, we must have same d, so we're gonna drop 7 down. Okay, sign the circle, it's minus. Draw the curve, the numbers are far. If the sign minus, if I'm far, take me away. So we're gonna subtract. 4 minus 1 equal 3. Next one, space minus 3 over 4 equal 1 over 4. Let's draw the dash of the fraction, okay? And we're gonna drop the 4 in the denominator. Now, the sign is minus and the numbers are near. If the sign minus, if I'm near, please add me. So we're gonna add 3 plus 1 equal what? Equal 4. 4 over 4 equal what? Do you remember? Equal 1. So we're gonna put 1. You can leave it 4 over 4 or you can just put 1. Both answers are correct. Okay? Next one. Draw the dash of the fraction. Drop the 3 in the denominator. Now, circle the sign and draw the curve. We said if the sign plus, near or far, take me away. So we're gonna subtract. 2 minus 1 equal 1. The last one, draw the sign of the fraction and drop what? Drop 6. Super. Now, circle the sign, draw the curve. Numbers near or far? Numbers are near. If the sign minus, if I'm near, please add me. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. Are we going to simplify here? No, we're gonna leave it as it is. Okay, my dears? Okay, we finished our lesson today. I hope you enjoyed it and you understand it very well. Please remember to answer in your booklet the homework, page 38, 39, and 40. Please Stay at home and be safe, and listen to your mommy and daddy, okay? And be quiet. I love you so much, and I'm waiting to see you soon. Goodbye.